If you're trying to lose weight, watch this video. But let's be real.
Working out is hard. A weight loss journey is hard. Discipline is hard.
Like, abs are cool and all, but I also want mac and cheese. And that is the real struggle. This is an honest weight loss vlog where I show you what my actual week looks like, gym, food, struggles, and the little things that make the biggest difference. Like, am I a gym rat now?
We back in the gym. 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 Gym.
Maybe. Maybe not. You decide. How many times have you said, this is my year, I'm gonna lose weight? I have restarted this journey more times than I can count.
I got my sights set on you.
But this time, something changed. This week, I hit a major fitness milestone.
I just feel like I am peak skinty now.
Like peak skinniness. Everest level peak skinniness.
My name is Bella Hadid.
Okay. Maybe not that dramatic, but we're making progress. So come along for this journey, the gym, the food, the struggles, and most importantly, the jokes. Because if we're gonna lose weight, we might as well have a good time doing it.
Your girl just finished at the gym. Here are my stats, and I have to show you my outfit today because I feel like, hold on, I need to get, you have to see the full vibes. I feel like these hand things really give gym mommy. Like, I'm obsessed. And one thing's for certain, lately I've been just wanting to wear color more often because let me break down the process that goes on in this brain. But because I've just always been fat, I take up so much space physically. I never wanted to make myself be seen more than I already am. Please tell me that makes sense. So like I would only wear like black and stuff like that, but now it's giving pastel. And low-key, high-key, I will be very honest, I still get the heebie-jeebies. And then lighter colors show more. And you can see, and like, something I always said was I need to get comfortable with feeling uncomfortable because this uncomfortability is temporary for like a lifetime of like self-improvement. So I'm like just doing the little things to get out of my insecure bag. And like I said, the insecure bag might be Gucci, Louis, Prada. Very nice, very expensive, very that girl. But we're trying to throw her away.
Your things and leave. There's the door.
We're throwing her away.
There's the door, bitch!
So yeah. I don't know. Let me know if any of you guys can resonate with that, if that makes sense. Because I'm just yippee-yapping. But I have to remind myself where I started because I keep telling myself I'm currently living the dream that I wanted before. Because me before was 500 pounds and couldn't walk. And now I'm like working out and walking on the treadmill for at least an hour. Like that used to be a dream of mine. So I need to get over this insecure bag, but whatever. Felt like sharing. Whoa. Team.
Hello? Hello?
Guys, milestone, not the bumbleclaw, milestone. I just drank a Summersby, which is like a cider, like alcoholic drink. And how much percentage it is?
Probably 5%.
Like 5%. And this is the first time ever I've drank a can of like anything and I've felt it. That means I have unlocked a new level of skintiness, because before a single can could not do anything. It was giving shots, LMFAO. I'm red food with a big afro, like Bruce Lee with got the mo. Go look at that body. Hey, like
It keeps going.
the fact that I feel this after just one can, I just feel like I am peak skinty now. Peak. Top Everest is right here. I'm literally right there.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
He's LMFAO. And then also, side note, Chip, I finished it and he was like, "Oh, do you want a sip of my brewski?" Ew! Brewski? What? I was like, are we at a kegger? Is this a frat house right now? What the hell is a brewski?
You know it, Brucef.
Brucef? I am sick.
Y'all, the gym is empty, but I don't know, we got an iPad in here, so I'm alone, so let's play with people's things. I can play with the TV, y'all, and then pick what channel, and like, excuse me, let me stop. But y'all, another day, another workout, another day, another workout. And to be honest, like, it was one of those where I went to bed late. I didn't want to come this morning, but I said, to be honest, I don't know what I said. I think I was just kind of like, you don't have a choice but to come. So I basically bullied myself, and sometimes you just gotta have to bully yourself. But another day, another light t-shirt. So I'm bullying myself and making myself uncomfortable. She is, Miss J, she don't play no games at all. But today the workout plans are cardio. I feel like low-key, high-key. Like, there was a couple special things, but like, honestly, the big mucho jumbo one that really helped me shed these 200 pounds is cardio. And oh my god, I didn't tell you, I have a cardio milestone. So before, like when I first started my weight loss journey, pre-concussion, my peak was I can walk a kilometer in 15 minutes on the treadmill. Could I do that IRL on the street? I don't know. But on a treadmill, 15 minutes. And I was like, oh my god, she's giving Olympiana. Like, wow, like she could literally join Team Canada or Team Jamaica. Like, you cannot tell me I couldn't join. I couldn't qualify. But yesterday at the gym, I walked a kilometer in 10 minutes. Oh my god. To be honest, was it me? My willpower, my growth? Yes. However, I did take a lot more C4 pre-workout than I usually do, but who cares? I still did it. So that's a huge milestone, because like, I always look back at that time as my peak, because I feel like everything went to shit after I decided to go hit my head. But elliptical, and then we're gonna do some weights, some arms, some back, and then I'm also trying to get into stretches, because when I tell you, my lower back has been killing me. I feel like that is a thing that just happens when you're like my size and like moving a lot. My body's like, what is that? Not used to that. And then I'm gonna do some treadmill. Oh, intermission, sad intermission. It was one of those where I woke up a low-key a little sad and like didn't really want to come, just like not in a good mood. Not that people telling me to pedal faster. Girl, wait. However, I feel like just starting, I was like, whatever, F it. Let me just film for you guys. And when I tell you y'all are my friends and my family, I am not lying. Like, I'm not, bitches say shit to say shit. I ain't bitch. Because the way my energy just went, they let the cultures call me a big bitch. They said N worked out. But it was the way that, like, I really feel like I'm literally doing what I'm meant to do by filming my life and posting and sharing it with you guys and talking to you guys. And I have never, ever, ever had that feeling before because I was a bitch who never dreamed of work, never dreamed of labor. I did so many different things and like I never felt connected, but this is the first time I feel so fulfilled and like for me to be doing work, but like getting happy, where I was able to turn my mood from depresso martini to like, let's get crazy, let's have fun martini, like that is like magical. Intermission over, love you. So. Go team, go. I look up, because a bitch loves to people watch, and then this one person's room is all red. Like they are setting the scene good. I got rain, 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 rain. That was my rendition of the 50 Shades of Grey song. Y'all, is this the hockey these boys be foaming in the mouth over? It's clicking, Steven, it's clicking. Workout done. Time for the sauna. Oh my god, throwback to the sauna photo shoot that I did.
So the dinner for tonight is ravioli and beef, but we're gonna grate some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. We got Chippendales on the camera, girl. More, tell me when. This is Olive Garden.
What?
Perfect. Dinner, dinner, dinner.
Dinner, dinner, dinner.
Dinner, dinner. We're doing a one-pot chicken quarters, and in the bottom we got carrots, we got potatoes, onions, and I'm using this pot for the very first time. I've been waiting approximately
2 years, over 2 years.
Longer than 2 years.
3 years.
3 years to
3 long years.
use this.
We're finally doing it.
Yay! Woot woot woot.
Woot, 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 woot. No pistachios, unfortunately. But it looks and it smells so good.
Chippendales is excited. And she goes, and she goes. See ya later, alligator.
Bye.
Bye.
You want the cover or no?
Nah.
Okay.
Dinner is served.
Look how juicy it looks.
Excited, babe?
I'm ready.
Guys, it's the first snowfall of the year. I don't know why I'm excited. Like, I'm not gonna like literally eat on the concrete. But I don't know, last year I feel like it didn't snow at all. But it's snowing today for the first time ever. But guess what? Your girl is busy, so we're going outside in that thundra, that winter. We're reporting live from the couch. I was sitting here making a grocery list because I was like, I don't know, like if you're going to the grocery store, it just feels so like to have like a list, you know what I mean? Like it's just like, I'm not a modern woman. I don't know, I'm making things up. But I have to go to the grocery store. Let me go to the grocery store early because I just don't want to deal with people. You know, I could be like annoying in the grocery store with y'all. Like, but when there's people around, I get the heebie-jeebies and I get scared. And I'm like, silence. Are you silent or were you silenced? And every time there's people, I am silenced. But then I gotta get back home, shower, probably edit and some stuff, and then shower. Then I gotta go to a wax appointment. So y'all come to the wax appointment, and then like it doesn't end. Like today is busy, so let's literally spend the entire day together and like be annoying. Go team, yay! We're on route. Your girl has my granny card. It's giving real couture, girl. Couture. And yes, this is the first time I've gone to the grocery store by myself since like living here. Ooh, nervous. Y'all, this is so much worse than it looked from my little balcony. Like, it is a thundra. You would think I live in Calgary, maybe like in Ottawa. Oh my god. And the worst thing about walking, my ears are deformed. AirPods don't stay in my ear. Wires stay in better, but I don't know, maybe I walk too tough. They don't stay in my ear. But goddamn, look outside. BFFR. We're in the grocery store. Yo, is it just me or does this feel expensive? So like, I was like, I'm not feta. Like, feta is elite. And it's like this, it's all crumpled. But $6, I say it feels overpriced. The craving for dumplings have been so loud lately. Like, it's been 2 weeks and I haven't shaken it. So, let's see. Have any of you guys tried these ones before? They look really good, but I've never had them before. So if you've had them, let me know so I can cure my dumpling craving. If I don't feel like trying something for $9. You feel? Guys, they have gingerbread houses, so you know I gotta get one. However, we're not doing a gingerbread house, we're doing a gingerbread village girl, an estate, a compound. We own properties, not just one girl. Level up, level up, level up. So I feel like we're gonna be hosting because a bitch furniture and she doesn't know how to act. She's like, everybody come over, come over. So cocktails, mixed drinks, hell, orange juice with a little right? We need soda. Soda's on sale for 7 cents. 7 cents, baddies. Yeah. So I'm about to get a few. A few as in 6. Bro, where's my Coca-Cola diet? Where's she at? Let me put you on, eh? Ginger beer, bummer diet, caffeine free. We're back. Here's the whole girls. Balsamic vinaigrette, lemons, ground beef, eggplant, zucchini, feta, the estate, shrimpy dimpies, instant noodles, sazon, marshmallows, cocoa powder, and noodles. Oh, black pepper. Oh, and then ding, 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 ding. I thought I got an extra. Diet Cola. It's okay. Your girl had to run to the boxing gym. I was so late. What is giving here? TV. Come on. Nicest place I've ever been for wax. Period. Hey y'all, the adventure continues. I am in our local Dollarama to like a Dollar Tree for all my American buddies. Because I have to get a bunch of stuff for like Chip's birthday, but they have like this whole entire home decor section. And I'm just kind of like, it's giving home sense. But like on a budget, like you get this entire board for what? $4.50? And I wanted to get something for the utensils. You cannot tell me this is not tray cute. And it's a whopping, I don't remember, but I think it's like $2.50. Like, come on. Real discount, but also very cute and like aesthetic. Okay, I'm at the birthday aisle. I'm shopping for Chippendale's birthday. They got balloons, they got boxes, they got sparklers, girl. They got disco ball if you want to get craziest to be a while. The birthday hat, period. Definitely getting that. Like a bunch of stuff to make sure this is an elite birthday. A pinata, like that's funny.